By tomorrow morning, we'll have about 5 to 6 inches of snow on the ground here in the metro. And then by Sunday morning, we'll have about 10 to 14 inches of snow on the ground.
Looks like he's ready. Ready. I'm at Walmart. I don't want to go in there. But I need milk and bread. I'm going for it.
Looks like everybody got the carts.
Captain Crunch, you're running out of ideas.
So cool. Oh yeah, bread and milk.
Dang!
Well, got the necessities. Bam! Bam! Woo! Bam! Bam! Strawberry. I did not see that. Bam! Blue raspberry tricks, Mario! Woo! Walmart only had hot dog buns and some weird bread, like
No bread. Except for buns.
I got some bread and I got milk. I'm gonna survive.
Humans are dumb.